Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, specs, and all that good stuff about this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, so here lately, I've been doing subscriber shout-outs in the videos that when it's a unit that I purchased for myself. So the subscriber shout-out I want to give is to my girl, Victoria Martin. Shout out to you, boo. I want you to know that I truly, truly do appreciate you. Not appreciate. I don't know what I was saying. I was trying to say appreciate it and appreciate you at the same time. But anyways, I appreciate you. You've been rocking with me for a while, and like I said, I truly do appreciate it. For the subscriber shout outs, just make sure you comment on the videos. You like the videos. If I see that, then you will be getting a subscriber shout out. So once again, shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate you. Okay, so this wig is yet another wig from my Bestow My Look series, honey. That's what we call in this series. And I am, in this series, I find wigs that people using my picture on Amazon and acting like it's their wig, like it's the wig that I got from this company or whatever company. They just be stealing pictures, okay? And there's nothing I can do about them stealing pictures. So instead of me, you know, like going through the process of trying to figure out how to get them for copyright infringement when most of these companies are based in China, and child, ain't no such thing as copyright infringement there, girl, okay? So instead of doing that, I've decided to start buying the wigs. Actually, a subscriber recommended me do this, and I was like, oh my God, that makes so much sense. I'm gonna do it. And I started doing it, and I buy the wigs to see if they are what they're advertising, because child, usually they are not. But here lately, girl, every wig I've gotten with my picture, I've loved. Like, I even had one that looked better than the wig that they used the picture. Like, girl. But anyway, so this particular one is from the company VCK. It says VCK Short Human Hair Pixie Wig, Boy Cut Wigs for Black Women. Child, I wish they would stop that. Short straight wigs, 1B color. Okay, so the picture that they have, first of all, sugar. The picture that they have, the wig isn't 1B. The wig was actually teal, and I had on blue lipstick. Child, I don't even remember the wig for real. Like, it's been so long since I had the wig that I don't remember it. But girl, they stole my picture. They stole my picture. Now, these sort of wigs, it has no like lace, no parting, no nothing in there, girl. You see that? Like, it is the old school wig. And I want to say that wig that they used the picture was that sort of wig in itself, but I can't remember. I need to go back and watch the video because I can't remember. I can't remember what sort of wig it was. But this one, if I'm not mistaken, it has like, it has 2 combs total. It's 1 comb in the front and it's 1 comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps, and I did adjust those straps. The wig that I reviewed, if I'm not mistaken, was a synthetic wig, and this one is proclaiming to be a human hair wig. I don't know. Some of the pictures look different. It looks like a different sort of wig. It looks like maybe they curled it. I don't know, but it looks really good. on the people that reviewed, so I don't know if it's more than one on here. It's a synthetic one and a human hair one. Yeah. The synthetic one is actually, I should try it. I think I'll try it. It looks good. The synthetic one looks really good. This one proclaims to be a human hair wig. I don't know, girl. I don't know. I don't know if it's human or not. It's not a whole lot of hair, so it could be human, you know, for the price. I don't know. In my opinion, this wig is big head friendly because I have to adjust the straps, and I do wear a medium cap size. So usually if I have to adjust the straps, then I consider a wig to be big head friendly. So I'm gonna say that old girl is big head friendly, okay? Plus I got a little mini fro underneath this, and it fits, you know, good, okay? So yeah, that is that on that. Now if you're interested in how I feel about this unit, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my hat because this is a hat wig, girl. So I'm gonna put on my hat. If you are interested in how I feel about this unit, despite them still in my picture, girl, then please continue. Okay, so this particular wig, the fact that I put on a hat and I say it's a hat wig, I feel like I kind of felt that way about the other wig as well. Some wigs are just giving me hat vibes. Like I just feel like they look better with a hat. I feel like this wig looks really, really cute with a hat. Without a hat, I can't say that I love the wig. And the only reason I can't say that I love it is because in the top, it just looks really, really wiggy. You know what I'm saying, girl? She just looks really, really wiggy up there, okay? So I feel like it looks really good with the hat. It wasn't expensive. The wig was only $18, $18.99. So it wasn't expensive, so it's not like a huge deal to me. I feel like it looks good with the hat. Like, would I recommend it? I think you basically get what you see with this particular wig. Like, the pictures that they have of this one is, yeah, it's basically you get what you see. So I can't really complain about that when you get what you see. Is it the same wig that they have my picture? No, ma'am. Okay, no, ma'am, it is not the same wig. And I want to say that that wig was named Tiva or something like that, and that wig was cheaper than this wig. But once you factor in shipping and all of that, it's probably gonna equal out the same, girl. Because I got mine from Amazon. If you got Prime, child, you know, shipping, you get 2-day shipping and it's free. So do with that what you want to do with that, girl. I don't know where this lint come from, but she was in the hair, now she on the shirt. But yeah, I'm not mad at the wig. Like I said, you kind of getting what you pay for, and it's not a bad wig. So that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Now, honey, don't judge my kitchen. Worry about your own kitchen. Don't judge my kitchen, girl. I know she's a mess, baby. You ain't got to tell me. I already know. Okay? Judge your own kitchen. Okay? Anyways, if you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And, yeah, honey, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook, and Health and Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You'll never feel the way